Good evening, everyone. This is Hassan Akhtar Nisar, and you're welcome back to 50 Shades of Life, your platform for learning better English. And today, I'm going to talk about the 4 strategies that I myself adopted while I was a student of English language and when I was learning it myself. And these 4 strategies actually helped me a lot. Believe me, ये 4 स्ट्रेटजीज़ ने मेरी अंग्रेज़ी को कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँचा दिया। जो मेरे दोस्त या मेरे शागिर्द जो मुझे जानते हैं बचपन से, वो ये बात समझ सकते हैं कि मैं कब क्या था। एंड देन विद इन सम years I improved myself all this and I became a teacher and then a professor and the instructor of English language, and these 4 strategies of my personal experience, and I'm going to share these with you. So I hope that these will help you a lot if you want to become a better speaker of the English language. So अब ये चारों strategies क्या है, one by one हम उनके बारे में बात करेंगे. Number 1, environment. Make your own environment. सबसे पहला ये point, the students who talk to me, who contact with me and who want to improve their English, they say कि सर हमारे पास ऐसा माहौल नहीं है, ऐसे दोस्त नहीं है, किन के साथ बोलें. So there is no excuse like that. You have to do it. Surround yourself with the people who can speak English or who want to be good speakers or who are studying in the universities or colleges. So don't make friends who are just wasting their own lives. They will make you like themselves, right? You will have to make good friends, the friends who can speak English or who are educated, who talk good, who behave good. And when you live in such a company of friends, remember that famous quote, a man is known by the company he keeps. एक शख्स की पहचान वही है वो जिस तरह की कंपनी में रहता है. तो अगर आपकी कंपनी अच्छी है तो डेफिनेटली आपकी पहचान अच्छी है और वैसी कंपनी में आप ज़्यादा बेहतर चीज़ें सीखेंगे. Back when I was in 12th class, I remember every person who could speak English in my city was my friend. No problem, right? So make friends who can speak English. That's a simple tip. Remember this tip. If you want to do things really well, do it yourself. अगर आप चीज़ों को वाकई बेहतर अंदाज में करना चाहते हैं, किसी आला अरफा अंदाज में करना चाहते हैं, तो इसको खुद करें. So दूसरों के ऊपर मत छोड़ें इसे. Don't wait for a मसीहा. Don't wait for someone to come and do some dumb sham kind of thing. फूक मारेगा आपको और आप अंग्रेजी बोलना शुरू हो जाएंगे. ऐसा नहीं होता. This is not the age of miracles. This is the age when you do things yourself. The quote I have just told you कि अगर आप चीज़ों को अच्छे अंदाज में करना चाहते हैं तो उन्हें खुद करें. So do it yourself and don't wait for anyone. Here are the tips that you can do to make your own environment, right? So watch English movies or English drama serials like Game of Thrones or Friends or Coupling, and there are many others. And read English newspapers, read novels, read English books. Make friends who are living in United States or maybe in England, or you can make friends from England. I mean, गोरों का दोस्त बना सकते हैं. This is the age of social media, so that's not a big job, right? You go to the Facebook or any other social media app and there are hundreds and hundreds and thousands of people there. So you can make friends from England or from the USA and you can practice speaking English with them. So that's not a big deal. You can create your own environment if you want to. That's not a very difficult thing in the 21st century, right? And believe me, that's what I did myself. I made friends who could speak English. At least I made friends who understood English and I spoke with them and no problem. Some of them even said, यार क्या तुम सारे दिन सर खाते रहते हो? But I did it. Okay? I taught in the English language. I speak the English language. I lived in the English language, and some of my old students can remind that I used to tell them that English is my girlfriend. See, what do you do for a girlfriend? Well, you spend time with her, you spend money on her, you give her time, attention, love, care and everything. And I gave everything to this English language. I spent on it, I spent books, I gave time to it because I read about it, and I suffered while I was learning it because sometimes I would face the problem of a shortage of money, but I would still do something I could to improve myself. And today is the reward. When you pay attention to your girlfriend, जब आप अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को टाइम देते हैं, मोहब्बत देते हैं, पैसा देते हैं, तो उसके बदले में वो आपको कुछ रिवॉर्ड देती है, राइट? So that's the reward of my giving all my attention and love and care and time and money to English language. Today I'm a teacher, I'm a professor, I'm an instructor, I'm running my YouTube channel, and I'm learning all these things. This is the reward. So you spend, there is a time you spend and there is a time you take the reward. Do good thing when is a time and then wait for the reward. Number 2, challenge yourself. That's what I did to myself. I challenged myself. Well, I have no resources, I have no money. So Hassan, this is a challenge too. You have to become a good speaker of English language no matter how difficult the circumstances are. So I would say this is a very good strategy. You make a challenge and you give it to yourself. Normally we give challenge to other people. हम दूसरों को challenge देते हैं कि तुम ऐसा करके दिखाओ. तो क्यों ना आप खुद को challenge करके देखें कि आप ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि नहीं. सो अंग्रेज़ी बोलना सीखना, अच्छी अंग्रेज़ी बोलना सीखना एक चैलेंज के तौर पे लें और फिर उसके ऊपर काम करना शुरू करते हैं. दैट्स व्हाट आई डिड टू माई सेल्फ एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई एम suggesting to you. So challenge yourself to become a better speaker in 1 year or maybe in 6 months, and then work for it. And remember this, Amit Ray once said, every once in a while you need to challenge yourself and learn new things. कभी कभी आप खुद को चैलेंज करके देखें और इस तरह से नई चीज़ों को सीखने का मौका से फ़ायदा उठाएं. So challenge yourself and learn new things. Challenges, ladies and gentlemen and my dear students, are very important in life. अगर कोई आपको चैलेंज नहीं दे रहा तो आप खुद को चैलेंज करके देखें और फिर इस तरह से चीज़ों को सीखें, चीज़ों को करें और एक नई तरह की तहरीक, एक नई तरह की मोटिवेशन आपको मिलेगी और एक तरह की सेटिस्फैक्शन. When you get things done, you get a kind of satisfaction which is, I would say, worth millions and millions of dollars. Believe me. If there is no challenge in your life, there is no enjoyment in your life. अगर आपकी ज़िंदगी में नए challenges नहीं हैं, कुछ करने को नया नहीं है, कुछ नया एडवेंचर नहीं है, तो इसका मतलब है कि आपकी ज़िंदगी में कोई enjoyment ही नहीं है. Number 3, practice. Practice as much as you can. This has been my strategy, and I would say this is the only one thing that can make you better speaker, fluent and spontaneous in your speaking. So practice it as much as you can. Practice reading the dictionaries, practice your sounds, practice your intonation, practice your accent, pronunciation and everything. Without practice, you can never ever become better speaker, no matter how great teachers you have, or no matter even William Shakespeare himself comes to teach you English language. You can't become a good speaker if you don't practice language. So practice it with your friends, practice it with your colleagues, practice it with your family members if there are some who can speak or at least understand English. And then I have told you other things, to watch English movies and dramas and drama serials, English novels and so on. So the more you practice, the better it is for you to become better speaker. How to practice the practice of English is the next question. Well, I would say you can do some things like you can memorize the text from the different novels or books, and then you can rehearse them in front of the mirror, or you can make short videos and you can rehearse those dialogues or monologues or the text that you just crammed, and in this way you can do a lot of practice. And remember, the time you start enjoying your practice is the time you really start becoming good speaker of English language. जब आप अपनी प्रैक्टिस को enjoy करने लग जाते हैं, तभी वक्त है जब आप असल मानों में improvement की तरफ चले जाते हैं. Number 4 and the last one is communication. Actual conversations, which I call. Remember, आप जितना मर्जी पढ़ लें, आप जितना मर्जी सुन लें, आप जितनी मर्जी क्लासेस ले लें, आप पूरा साल एकेडमी जाते रहें और वहाँ टीचर्स को सुन के आ जाएं, आप कभी भी अच्छे स्पीकर नहीं बन पाएंगे जब तक आप एक्चुअल कन्वर्सेशंस में नहीं आते, जब तक आप एक्चुअली कम्युनिकेट नहीं करते इंग्लिश में. सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू नीड टू कम्युनिकेट इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. यू नीड टू इन्वॉल्व योर सेल्व्स इन actual real conversations. Only then you get the confidence to become better speaker and to speak English. See, so actual communication or conversation is again very, very important. So talk a lot. Even if you don't want to talk. Even if the person with whom you're talking, जिससे आप बात कर रहे हैं, वो बंदा नामाकूल सा है, जिसके साथ बात करना मज़ा नहीं आ रहा, लेकिन अगर वो अंग्रेज़ी समझ सकता है और आपको उसके साथ बात करनी पड़े तो करें. So talk even if you don't want to talk to the people who are unwanted and unlikable. Talk to the people whom you really dislike. But if they can speak English, talk is the key. So communicate in English, engage yourself in actual real conversations, and similarly when you practice something, you obviously learn something. I give the example in this regard कि आप अगर बाइक सीखना चाहते हैं, बाइक चलाना, तो अगर आपको एक बहुत बड़ी किताब दे दी जाए या कार चलाने की वो आपको दे दी जाए कि इसके ऊपर कार के सारे पार्ट्स हैं, गियर कहाँ पे होता है और उसके और जो डिफरेंट पार्ट्स हैं, तो आप उसको पढ़ते रहें कि आपको कार चलानी आ जाएगी. नेवर. यू विल लर्न ड्राइविंग द कार only from the process when you really sit on the driving chair and you start it and you drive it. तो आप कहीं 2-4 जगह पे ठोक देंगे लेकिन आपको आएगी वैसे ही. So same is the case with English. जब आप बोलना शुरू करेंगे गलत बोलेंगे, ठोकेंगे, गलत प्रोनाउंस करेंगे, लेकिन जब आप बोलना शुरू कर देते हैं तभी आपके अंदर वो कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा और फिर गलत जब बोलेंगे तो फिर आप सही की तरफ आएंगे. Okay? So ladies and gentlemen, these were the 4 strategies that I personally practiced and I personally adopted in my life, the way I became a good speaker of English language. And मुझे उम्मीद है कि अगर आप भी इनके ऊपर काम करेंगे तो आप भी अच्छे स्पीकर बन सकते हैं और आप अपनी अंग्रेज़ी को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. And when you improve your English, it means that you have new horizons, new doors are open and you can do a lot of other new stuff. इसके साथ ही मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Hassan Akhtar Nisar from 50 Shades of Life. That's it for today. See you next time and make your better practice.